Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a very special truck. It's a 1954 Chevy 3100 5-window. Very rare. It also has a custom grille up front. So I think it looks like it's from a 50 or so. Sitting on some big Steelies, finished in white. Custom tonneau cover. It's got LED lights in the rear. Very cool stance. Pretty fresh build on this truck. Custom Valance in the back. Custom steel tonneau cover. Dual exhaust with exhaust cutouts. Sitting on a Caprice chassis. Really like the Steelies with the wide whites. This is a cool look. Of course the 5 windows, killer. Very nicely done. Power steering, power brakes. Disc up front. Obviously independent suspension. Air conditioning. Look at that big stout grille up there, so iconic. Tinted windows, those are actually factory smoked windows. Lockable tonneau cover. Nice dual exhaust. Custom running boards too. It's got a custom stereo in it as well. Antenna's right there in the back, nicely hidden. Look how the rear view mirror is up top too, that's pretty cool. Beautiful interior, finished in black. Custom armrest, tilt wheel, custom steering wheel, wrapped in leather to match the truck. Seat belts. This is like tough vinyl or ultra leather. Tweeters up here too. Cool. It's got 4,950 miles on the resto. And these are, looks like classic instruments gauges. And it's finished in the classic theme too. Custom stereo. Here's your air unit. A&M shifter. It's a turbo 350 trans. JL audio speakers down here as well. All the carpet and everything. Visors, rear view mirror. It's got this cool front and rear camera. It's a N2 Pro. This is right here. It's to see your light, traffic light. You don't have to bend down. Also has exhaust cutouts. Woo! That'll wake up the neighbors. That really quiets it down, doesn't it? And like I said, custom stereo. It's all digital, 2 auxes, which is pretty cool. I think this is a iPhone. Yeah, iPhone. Next down there, the charger. Pretty neat. Got a 350 under the hood. There she is, Champion aluminum radiator. Power brakes, power steering. It's got a fan in there. Keeps everything cool, electric fan. And like I said, it's sitting on a Caprice chassis, so it's got independent suspension up front. Headers, It's got a Edelbrock Performer intake. Looks like an Edelbrock Carburetor, Edelbrock element, air cleaner element, with an Edelbrock finned air cleaner. New Optima Battery, smooth firewall. Also been pushed back a little bit. Electronic ignition. Truck. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399.